Hello students, in this video we will be seeing the transmission media, a topic from Unit 1. Now we are going to discuss the second portion of the communication medium or the transmission medium, which is nothing but the unguided medium or a wireless medium. An unguided media transport electromagnetic waves without using a physical connectors, and this type of communication is often referred to as wireless communication. For this, there are three different sections we are going to discuss. The first one is radio waves, microwaves, and the infrared waves. This picture shows the electromagnetic spectrum along with their applications. So, there are various frequencies available in this electromagnetic spectrum, which is categorized as extremely low frequency, radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, ultraviolet waves, X-rays and gamma rays. So as far as computer networks concerned, we will be using only three different waves here. The one is radio waves, microwaves and infrared waves. Radio waves and microwaves will have the frequencies ranges from 3 kHz to 300 GHz. Whereas infrared is ranging in between 300 GHz and 400 THz. The ground wave propagation is a method of radio wave propagation that uses the area between the surface of the earth and the ionosphere for transmission. The ground wave can propagate a considerable distance over the earth's surface, particularly in the low frequency and medium frequency portion of the radio spectrum. In radio communication, skywave or the skip refers to the propagation of radio waves reflected or refracted back towards Earth from the ionosphere, an electrically charged layer of the upper atmosphere. Line of sight is a type of propagation that can transmit and receive data only where transmit and receive stations are in view of each other without any sort of an obstacle between them. For example, FM radio, as we have seen in the previous slide, here we are seeing the band, range, propagation and their applications. Ground wave propagation requires very low frequency and low frequency bandwidths, and as we have already seen, the ranges is between 3 to 300 kHz. Whereas for skywave propagation, it uses middle frequency, high frequency and very high frequency. Whereas the line of sight which we use for the applications like cellular phones, satellite communications, they require ultra high frequency, super high frequency and extremely high frequency. Among these three different waves, radio wave alone is used for multicast communications such as radio and television and paging systems, whereas microwave alone is used for unicast communications such as cellular telephones, satellite networks and wireless LANs. And finally, infrared alone is used for short range communications in a closed area using a line of sight propagation. So normally in our mobile phones before Bluetooth, we had this one called as infrared for data transfer between the two devices. There are many different types of antennas used for this wireless communication. Few of them are isotropic antenna, dipole antenna, monopole antenna, array, loop antenna, conical antenna, aperture antenna, traveling wave antenna are the few commonly used types. Among these antennas, omnidirectional antennas were mostly used for radio wave communications. Antennas were considered to be the most important equipments for any wireless communications. An antenna is an interface between radio waves propagating through space and electric currents moving in metal conductors used with a transmitter or receiver. Unidirectional antenna focuses the radio frequency energy in one or two directions, which lowers the beam width and the overall area covered, but increases the strength of the signal and distance covered in that direction. Dish antennas or a parabolic antenna is an antenna that uses a parabolic reflector, a curved surface with the cross-sectional shape of a parabola. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you. Fine, we have come to the end of this topic. We will see the next topic in the next video. Thank you.